To shift our focus, viewers, on the other top developments that we are tracking very closely. In a rally in Delhi's Dwarka Assembly constituency, Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma has spoken in support of the BJP candidate Pradyuman Rajput Sharma. He targeted the Congress and the Aam Aadmi Party, claiming that they are the same. He said, and I quote, "If Congress is corrupt, then Aam Aadmi Party is maha-corrupt," accusing both the parties of engaging in politics of corruption, unquote. Let's listen in.
कांग्रेस तो भ्रष्टाचारी थी, लेकिन ये भ्रष्टाचारी है। कांग्रेस और ये दोनों एक ही है। कांग्रेस भ्रष्टाचारी है तो आम आदमी भ्रष्टाचारी है। और कांग्रेस की अगर मैं बात करूं तो कांग्रेस में हमेशा लूट और झूठ और भ्रष्टाचार की राजनीति को है और उसी पर चिन्हों पर केजरीवाल की आम आदमी पार्टी चल रही है। मैं आज से कहना चाहता हूं मेरे भाई और बहनों, आज हम सभी को सबक सिखाना है। हम कह सकते हैं लगातार आप देख रहे हो, जो हरियाणा हो, राजस्थान हो, गुजरात हो, मध्य प्रदेश हो, सभी प्रदेशों में आप देख रहे हैं किस तरह से विकास हो रहा है और वहां का जनजीवन कितना अच्छा है, वहां के लोग किस विश्वास के साथ।
All right, my colleague Mehndi Garg is joining me live for more. Mehndi, now support for the BJP candidate from the Dwarka Assembly constituency has poured in. But if we talk about the campaigning that has been ongoing in the other parts of the national capital as well, the BJP has been upping its ante over the corruption charges that are being levelled at the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress together. While the question remains at the centre stage of who's going to win the national capital again, to be back in power or to in fact break the hiatus, what is that the BJP is now maintaining ahead of these allegations?
Well, indeed, Simran, ahead of the assembly polls, it can be said that BJP is fighting these elections on their front foot, and right now all the senior leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party are on ground, whether it's from Haryana, from Madhya Pradesh, from Maharashtra or from Uttar Pradesh. So all the leaders are coming to the national capital and doing poll rallies in support of the BJP candidates who are fighting from the different constituencies, on the 70 constituencies we can say. And talking about what happened in the poll rally in Dwarka Assembly constituency, then yes, in support of BJP candidate Pradyuman Rajput, Rajasthan Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma came to address the public meeting, and there he accused Aam Aadmi Party and Congress of various corruptions, and also apart from that he targeted the Aam Aadmi Party governance as well. And talking about the same, he mentioned that how Congress and Aam Aadmi Party are the same, and not only this, he accused both the parties of doing corruption and said that both these parties are maha-corrupt. In his statement also, Simran, he mentioned that Congress is corrupt, but he said our Aam Aadmi Party has done more corruption in their governance, whether it's the Delhi liquor excise policy scam or whether it's the Sheesh Mahal scam that BJP is taking out in a very aggressive mode as of now. And also, apart from this, Bhajan Lal Sharma also mentioned that how Congress has always done the politics of corruption and Aam Aadmi Party is walking on the same path. So yes, various allegations are being put up by the Bharatiya Janata Party over both the parties, whether it's Aam Aadmi Party or the Congress Party. And the issues that we are noticing right now are various, whether the corruption issue is being taken out by the BJP, and apart from that, the Sheesh Mahal issue, the Delhi excise liquor scam issue, the issue of the illegal Bangladeshis and migrants. So we can say that yes, during these assembly polls preparations, also in the campaign rally, also BJP is in their attacking mode and attacking Aam Aadmi Party as well as Congress, both of them respectively. Yes.
All right, Mehndi, I'll request you to kindly stay on with us on the broadcast, as in fact